As we explore further, it's crucial to recognize that while nuclear weapons are tangible, AI embodies a more abstract danger. The algorithms behind AI can be difficult to understand, making it a formidable adversary in the wrong hands. The notion that a non-human entity could outsmart human oversight sparks legitimate concerns. Concerns exist not just about AI's capability to conduct attacks, but its potential to manipulate information, influencing public opinion and behavior. This covert threat operates silently, often unnoticed until it's too late, raising questions about our preparedness for such scenarios. Consequently, we must ask ourselves how we can develop a framework to mitigate these risks, ensuring that as technology evolves, we steer it towards beneficial outcomes rather than chaos. How do we balance innovation with safety? The debate surrounding this question is only just beginning, and it demands our attention as we navigate a future where both nuclear and AI threats could become ever more intertwined. The conversation becomes more complex when we consider the potential for collaboration between nuclear capabilities and AI. Imagine a future where autonomous systems manage nuclear arsenals, theoretically increasing efficiency and safety. However, this opens up a Pandora's box of risks, as algorithms could malfunction or be manipulated. The stakes escalate exponentially when human oversight becomes secondary to AI decision-making. Furthermore, there's the ethical dilemma of entrusting machines with life and death decisions. Relying on AI for such critical areas may obscure accountability, leaving society vulnerable to catastrophic outcomes. As we wrestle with these ethical implications, it's clear that a thorough examination of both threats is essential. The dialogue around their integration challenges our understanding and calls for thoughtful governance to ensure humanity's safety moving forward. To further complicate matters, the rapid pace of AI development often outstrips existing regulatory frameworks, leaving regulators scrambling to catch up. This gap creates an environment ripe for misuse, where innovation surpasses safety measures. As we conclude this exploration, it is evident that the comparative threats of AI and nuclear weapons are complex and multifaceted. Balancing innovation with safety remains crucial in navigating this evolving landscape, emphasizing the need for proactive governance and informed dialogue to safeguard our future.